So that is what you have to do first. And then what we will do now, from the center, lightly we'll draw a line, take it to halfway, and we'll split it into two. Because trees have branches, and branches always splits into two. It goes into two different parts. So what did I do? First I made a bump, a very light bump. And then very lightly I made a line from the middle. And somewhere halfway through, I made it into two different branches because trees have branches. Yes, Lahithyan, we cannot see it. It's not dark. It's very little dark, like you said. So if you can hear me, that is what I want to know. Because if you cannot see this, hearing is a very important skill. So hear what I'm talking. So what did I say? Make a very tiny bump at the base of the paper. See where my pencil is going? And then we make a line from the center. We take it somewhere in the middle and then we split it into two. Okay? And then what do? I take another branch from right side like this. And then from left side, what do? See here and here, I have made the branch. So from the middle of this, I'll take out another branch like this. Okay? You know how a tree looks, right? So that is what we are doing. We're making the basic structure of the tree. And then from the lower side, I'll make a branch like this, going almost straight. And I'll do another one from the right side like this. So if I zoom in, you guys can get a very fair idea of how the branches look like. So don't worry if you cannot see it clearly, listen to me. Okay? So first I made the basic big branches. Now we'll make the big branches into half. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you what I mean by that. So we made this like this, okay? Like this we made. See, now I made very dark one. You're not supposed to do this. This is just for you to see how I'm going to go ahead. Okay? So now what I want you to do is we made this big branch. I want you to make another small branch like this. Like this. See, now it looks somewhat like a tree. So very roughly, okay, not too harsh. I'll give you guys a minute to finish. So for people who could not catch up, I'll repeat it for you people again. So what I want you to do, draw this lightly at the base of the paper. So this is the paper. Okay. At the base of the paper, draw very lightly a small bump like this. And then from the center, you take a line like this, very lightly. Halfway through, you split it into half like this. Okay. And then make another branch like this, another branch like this, another branch like this, which goes almost flat like this, both the sides. And now we split these branches also into half like this. See, now it looks somewhat like a tree. Yeah. So most of you guys are done. So like if there is some space left here like this, you can give another branch like this. Okay. Like this, another branch. So now we are done with the pencil part, the basic one, the structure. Now we will need crayons. Okay. Crayon set. Now in this, I want you to remove all the brown looking color, which different shades of brown. It doesn't have to be any perfect color. Whatever you have, get them out. All the brown shades you have. If it's 2, it's okay. If it's 3, it's okay. 4, anything is fine. So now what we will do now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go turn by turn with each color. So what I'll do first, look, I'll go like this. See what did I do? Now beside this, I'll take this crayon and go this way, like this. Now I'll take a different color. I'll go like this. So you got the funda. What we are going to do is take the crayon and connect them till the end. Remember the exercise we did, making the straight lines? Look, it's coming useful here. Just straight where you take it till the end. And you have to make the trunk fat. So you cannot overlap the crayons here. So we're going to use different colors to create the branches. If you have any doubt, you guys can write it in the chat box. If you have one shade, I'll tell you what, use red color. Look, I have used red color. So use brown and red together. So I'll also join. I will also use more red and see how it creates a different magic if you use brown and red color. You can use orange also. So remember to repeat the colors you are using. So what, look how the trunk is getting fat and fat also. And always remember to change the colors. There will be some gaps right now. Don't worry about it right now. Now see, I feel like it's still empty on the top. So I can add more branches. So watch what I'm doing. All of you guys, for 1 second, just 1 second, hold on and watch. So now look what I'm gonna do. All of these lines are straight, no? And remember this curve we had made? So what I'm gonna do now, I'll go like this. Look where I'm going, like this. And then I come here and I go like this. See what happened? I made this even smaller. So you can do this. So look, on this side also I'm going to do. So I take this, up. I come here and then it splits into 2. So now we're gonna make the trunk bigger. I take this like this and then goes like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Trees are not perfect. If you do not know what is happening, you can look at the paper where I'm drawing and figure out what I have done. So now if you'll see, the trunk is very fat, but the branches are very thin. So look what I'm going to do now. This branch you can see, this is very thin. So what I'm going to do from here, I will go like this. So what did I do? I made it very fat over here and it became very thin at the end. And I leave it like this. And then I change color. Now I use orange. Look, I filled it up. I can use any of the shades that I told you. You can use red. You can use red, orange, brown, or even yellow. Yellow looks really good. So I will make this lower branch also fat. So I'm going to go like this and fill the inside like this. Remember to use different color every time. So now here I feel like this branch is very thin. So I'll do this. And then now I see this branch is also very thin. So I'm going to make it fat. And then fill it in the middle. We're just making lines. I'll give you guys some time to finish it. So look, the top ones, I've just kept them one time because the branches are very thin in the top. And look how, so remember the curve we had made, the use where it's coming. So it's not a straight base, it's getting curved. I can fill the gap here like this a little. Now don't fill the inside one, not yet. I'll give you guys some time to finish it. So now what we will do is make the ground. Take this brown color or a yellowish color and we'll just make the S we had made, the C shape we had made, and make it 2-3 times like this with gap. Don't color it. Okay, just simply like this. You can also slightly add some effect if you use peach color. If you use peach color and fill in the middle like this, it gives a very nice effect. So during this time, I will take out my green shades. All the green shades I have. So in green shade, you can use blue color also. These are the colors I will use for the leaves. Okay, I have 6 of them. If you have 4, 3, it's okay. Spurti, if you have 2, there's no problem. Spurti, if you have blue color also, that would be really good. Blue color if you have. Yeah, okay. Ritesh, are you done? If you're done, you can give me a thumbs up. Also, guys, look here for a minute. Let us start with the next part. All of you guys, just for 1 second, look. What we will do, like what we did with the bark, we will go rotation by rotation. So I will take one at a time. And look what I'm going to do now. I will make spiral like this. And so what did I do? I made a spiral. Remember the circle we were making at the start of the class? Look, it's coming useful here. Here I made a this size circle. So I next to it, I will make a bigger one. Now the task for you here is how closely can you make this spiral and make it perfect. So what did I do? You made different sizes of circle. So it looks really good. So what we're going to do around every end of the branch, we will make these leaves. These are my leaves, circular. So this circle with blue, I made a small one, not too big. And every time I'm making the next one, I'm changing the color and I'm changing the branch. If my branch is full, I will move on to the next one. So I will start with the tip. And then next to it, I'll make a bigger circle like this, spiral. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry to finish it. And if it comes in contact with another circle, just stop there. Don't do more. Easy, right? Guys, this is really easy, right? So I want you to do this with every branch. Yes, Aditi, you can write it in the chat if any doubt you have. Okay. So I will move on to the next branch here. I will make a big circle this time. Like this. So guys, when I use my colors in order, what I do is I place them like this. After using one, I move it to the other part. Then I use this, and after I'm done with this, I'll move it to this part. So I'll remember if I have used the colors or not. So here I'm going to make a small circle because it is coming very close to this one. Okay. And in the middle also I will fill it up. So guys, you can do this also. Look what I'm going to do now. So I make a circle like this, and then what is happening? The center is on one side. You can make it look like that also. You can try different combinations. And I would love to see all of your work at the end of the session and see how you have done. So for people who may have trouble making the circle, I will just show you one more time. What you do is make first of all a circle like this, and then once you reach the end of it, you take it inside like this and make a circle. Now before you reach here, you get it closer inside like this, like a spiral, and you get this. Okay. If you cannot do this, you can do this also. Make a circle and then make another circle like this, another smaller circle, another smaller circle. Yeah, like this. So guys, don't be in a hurry to finish. Take your time. Do it very nicely. For people who are done, wait for others. And also for me, because I am slow, I take time and I'm not done. Yeah, purple color also, why not? I will also do. Look, purple purple color also looks really nice. Thank you. That's a very great suggestion you have given. Devesh, it's okay. Trees don't are not perfect. Your tree may be different than mine. All trees look nice. So guys, look where I'm making the leaves also. These I'm not making them here. I'm making all of them at the end. So don't reach here right now. I will tell you what to do next. Take your time, guys. There's no hurry.
Sir, why did you unmute me?
Oh, sorry, that must be by mistake. Yes, Namrata, you have to do it for all the branches. A simple trick would be like how I did here. On one branch, I did at the tip and then two on the other side. So each branch should have minimum of 3 leaves or these 3 circular leaves. If there is no space, it's okay. You don't have to stick to 3. You can make 2 also. So you can make big, small, different sizes. You don't have to make one size, guys. Remember that. So here I got space. So I'm going to make big one. Now you can see, yeah. And a tiny one here because I got no space. See, that is what Devesh, you should not have been in a hurry. You should have taken your time. It's okay. Trees are like that, right? You sometimes cannot see the branches also. So what, see Devesh, so here the lesson for you is not to overlap. Did I overlap the leaves with the branches? No. I gave both of them space so that I can see both of them after I'm done with my drawing. Then how else people get to know that trees have branches? They don't get to know that. So I am almost done with the first part of the drawing the leaves. Remember guys, you can always make big and small sizes of leaves. Now I'm done with the outer part. Now the inside part looks kind of empty. So what I'm going to do guys, remember this. I'm going to make one, I'll just show you and then you will understand it. I'll make big circles inside, just one, in one part. I'll make a big circle here like this and just leave it. I won't do nothing else here. I will make another big circle like this and leave it. Big circle here and leave it. I will tell you later what to do with it. I'll make another big circle here and not do anything. Now, you will see these gaps here. Now we'll have to fill those. We're not going to touch this part. Nothing here. So look what I'm going to do. Look, I'm filling these places. And I also am remembering that I'm not coming close to the tree bark. It's okay, Nishka, if it does not look nice, don't worry. You can make one more. Okay, Nishka? See like how I'm filling the gaps? But I'm also remembering not to make anything here, here, or here. Yes, yellow also. I will also use yellow. That is a really good idea. So this, I can use yellow also. It's not visible so much. So I'll use a different kind of yellow. Okay, this is also not visible only. What to do? I will go back to my colors because all of you cannot see the yellow color I have drawn. Okay, so now there is space around it here also. So you can increase, you can make one more layer, but this time outside. Small ones. I would make small ones here, like this. And I'll fill it up. Bottom also. So you showed leaves falling down. If you're done, how about this for you? All the people who are done, make fruits also in this, like this circle. I'll make fruits at the base like this. Make fruits like this. I'm going to give berries just at the base for me because I have other parts to finish also. It looks like a tree with hair. Yeah, it looks like a curly tree, curly chacha. So what I'm doing right now is making the tree look dense, very thick. So here what happened? It has come very close to my edge of the paper, this part. So I'm not going to touch it. Now I'm going to fill this part of the tree. So my tree looks complete now. I'm going to add some grass also at the base. So just for a second, look how I'm going to draw the grass. I'm sure you must have known this, but I'll just remind it for people who do not know. I make like this, three strokes like that from behind also because there is grass on the ground, right? Very easy, right? Every one of you know it, how to do this. I'll make some grass. Like this, little bit, not too much. And probably I can make some flowers also. So what I'll do is I'll just make these circles, and there you go. They look like a flower. Tell me, what do you think? Should I add a moon or sun? You guys tell me. Should I put a sun or a moon with the tree? Sun. Okay, two sun. Okay, lot of majority for sun. Okay, fine. So, I'll think how to do the circle. Should I do it this way or a different way? I think I will do different way. What I'll do now, I'll make a big circle with orange color. I took orange color, okay guys? Big circle I made like this. Okay? And now I will get all the shades of orange, yellow. I got these four shades. And this time we are going to do a different change. Ashit, sorry, I have chosen to make sun, not Jupiter. So first we made a circle with orange. I'll use a different shade of orange now and see what I'm going to do now. See, I made another circle, but a smaller one. So I did not make any spiral. And I'll go alternate colors, changing so that it looks like sun. See guys, now remember all that warm-up exercises coming to use. Imagine if you had not done the warm-up exercise, it would have come out different. So now at the end, I'm going to use more of orange than of any other shade because I want to show how warm the sun looks like. So I'm going alternate with yellow and orange. And in the middle, I'll just finish it up. Now we're going to add on something else to this. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to finish it. Fine. Now I'm going to add on something else to the sun. Remember the curves we made at the end, those wavy curves. I'm going to do that to this moon. Sorry, sun. Look how I'm going to do it. See, now it looks like a sun. I can add on more to this if I want. So I'll add more layers to this. So we call it layer, adding one on top of another, like this. So yes, this is the finished product or the finished drawing. You call it as drawing. There seems to be sun coming in real life on the paper also. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. If you're done, give me a thumbs up. Okay, good. So guys, people who are done, Wait for 2 more minutes so that other people also finish it. Okay? Okay, Sejal?